Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs straight from our design team to you. And for the first one this week, we have for you a brand new investment company layout pack. This investment company layout pack is perfect for any business looking to promote their financial services, resources, and portfolios. The How It Works page is great for educating visitors about your service process, and the portfolio page is perfect for showcasing example gains on investments. The design is extremely clean, uncluttered, and easy to read, with subtle design elements sprinkled throughout. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Before you can access pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go over to Divi Theme Options. Then select the Updates tab, and then enter your username and API key, and then save changes. Once done, you'll have access to all of the pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start adding all of your new pages with their corresponding new layouts. To do that, you need to go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title, and then deploy the Divi Builder. You want to choose a pre-made layout. Then in the Load from Library pop-up under your Pre-made Layouts tab, scroll down and find the investment company layout pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all of the different pages included in the pack here on the right. Select the one you want and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of the different pages with their new corresponding pre-made layouts. After that, you're ready to add a new menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll see a list of all of the different pages that you have created. Go ahead and select all of them, and then add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. Once done, don't forget to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select the new home page that you've created and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new investment company layout pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And also don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Also, check out our next layout pack, which should be released on Friday. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.